Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a little bit different because I'll be showing you all two hairstyles in one video. Yeah, you heard me right. So these hairstyles look alike, but they are different. They are made with different methods with different threads. So if you want to see how this is made, why not keep on watching? And with no further ado, let us dive right in. We're gonna start off the first method by moisturizing her hair with some clove water. I'll spread that into her hair, and next I'll go right in with a leave-in conditioner, still to moisturize the hair, but this is kind of like a thick texture, a thick paste or something. Now her hair is damp or wet, which makes it more easier to comb out. As you guys can see how the comb is passing through easily. And next I'll start patting out her hair, you know, pat out this first line, which is down, as you guys can see, put that out, and here comes the style of this hairstyle, which is yarn wool or bobby wool. So now I'll start sectioning her hair. For that, I will be doing a jumbo size sectioning. Yeah, we're not gonna sleep, we're not about to sleep on her hair today. So I unraveled the wool, and you guys saw me cutting that out, and we'll be using 12 strands of yarn wool to braid onto her hair. The reason for using 12 strands is because yarn wool is like not that big. A strand of yarn wool is not as big as Brazilian wool, so yeah, 12 wools will be enough. And I use 3 wools to thread. Okay, so basically I used 12 wools to braid onto her hair, and then I went in with 2 wools to thread. Do you guys understand me? So as you guys can see, I'm already doing this one. Don't worry, I will explain what I did here with the next one. So keep on watching, and I will bring you guys along with my explanation in the next one. So I finished up with the first line where I basically threaded just 2 there. So this is the second line, and yeah, just watch. I'll just, you know, cut that round her hair. You guys can notice how jumboing we are cutting this. We're not about to sleep on her hair. She's a child, and also, you know, this process takes a long time because of the long threading. So I sectioned out this first one, you know, that will be braiding or threading next. And yeah, I did that line, and this is the next line, which is the third. And just watch this closely. Let me explain how I am doing this. So you guys saw me moisturizing again. I combed that out. Next, I went in with 12 wools and braided that onto her hair for like just 2-3 steps, nothing deep, nothing serious. And I'll go in again with 3 strands of the yarn wool and start threading. I'll thread like 2 steps, and then I'll twist I'll twist her hair in form of creating a knot, and I'll tie that knot together in form of like tying the root and the and next after the knot, just like 2-3 steps before I start threading out. I know you guys still get my explanation as clear, but keep on watching. I bet you would understand better with the next one, because that is a little bit slower than this is like the normal speed, but I slowed that down for the purpose of you guys understanding what I did there. So just keep on watching. You guys saw how I twisted this you know, this whole corkscrew thingy. I think that is already self-explanatory, so watch this closely. I'm not going to say anything here. So in case you haven't understood how I corkscrew, watch how I am doing this. Like I will just bend wherever I want the length of the corkscrew to be, and I'll start, you know, turning it back up again. That is basically it. Once I, you know, exhaust the length, I'll tie that out, making sure it is well tied securely. I tie that again over at least 3 times before I cut out the excess, and voila, pretty much it. So we are almost done, literally. I'm just going to show you guys one more in case you still haven't gotten it yet. Again, I'll go in with 12 strands of the yarn wool. Just put that onto her hair just to give it volume, nothing serious, nothing deep. And I'll go in with 2 strands of the wool and, you know, create the knot illusion. This whole illusion is so that you won't have to struggle in, you know, fixing the hair to one place. Like, it would do that on its own. That is the whole purpose. The hair is already fixed in one position. It's not going to be moving around. It's not going to stand. So yeah, at the end of this video, when you have seen both methods, I would like to hear your opinion in the comment section. Which of the 2 styles you would prefer more, or which you have recreated? Which would you recreate? Which wool do you prefer? I would like to hear your opinion when you've seen both hairstyles. Okay, so hold up, don't go nowhere. You are yet to see the next one. As you guys can see, I am done with this. I am, you know, using my lighter to, you know, lit up the places I tied out and cut out so it doesn't unravel for any reason at all. And I laid down her edges. Obviously, I oiled her scalp to lock in moist. That is the leave-in conditioner we applied in earlier, so her hair doesn't dry out for any reason. And guys, look at my baby girl. See how beautiful this hairstyle turned out. I am loving the vibe. Can you guys believe that this is my second time ever trying out yarn wool on my daughter's hair? Yeah, and at this point it is the last because I've never used it again since this hairstyle. If you want to see the first hairstyle I made using yarn wool, check it out on my channel. I'll leave it up in the cards and also in the description box. You might want to check that out. And guys, I styled this hair in 2 ways. I added colors and I left it plain. Let me know which of them do you prefer. For me, I prefer the hairstyle plain, honestly. I prefer it plain. Let me know what you think. And yeah, we've come to the end of this particular one. Let's move on to the next one. To begin this, as usual, by now you should know what we prioritize here. We don't joke with moisturizing. Obviously, I figured that there was no need to show that again since I've already showed that in the first method, so I just went straight to parting the hair. For this one, we are not going with the whole plant or with the whole brick block form, like straight parting, squares and all that. No, we're just gonna part however. And the style of this one is Brazilian wool. Unlike the first one, that is yarn wool, this one is Brazilian wool. You guys saw the length that I'm using on the screen, which is 40 inches. Yes, that's long. Even the first one is this long as well. That is because of the whole cost scrutiny. Yeah, and you're gonna be very mindful when you're parting the style of this hair because trading is no joke. You're gonna trade for long. And you guys, I don't know if you noticed that I am using just 4 strands of the wool to braid before trading with 2 strands. Yeah, you notice the difference. That is because Brazilian wool, strands of Brazilian wool are bigger than yarn wool. For the yarn wool, I think I used for 12 strands to braid, then threaded with 3 strands. For these, 4 strands to braid, then thread with 2 strands. Another difference you might have noticed at this point is the fact that I did not add any knots at the beginning like I did the first method. I did not add any knots whatsoever. Okay, you're gonna be creating you're gonna be, you know, bending it down on your own, putting it in the position you want it to be on your own. And obviously this one is also a corkscrew method, so there's no difference with the corkscrewing and whatnot. Yeah, and that is not to say that you can't make that method with Brazilian wool, like you can put a knot with Brazilian. You can whichever thread you decide to use, be it rubber band thread or Brazilian wool or yarn wool. You can always make the style you want. You can either, you know, create the knot illusion, or you can make it without the knot illusion like this one. Whichever way, you can make it with any threading at all. So just keep on watching. This method is already visually explained. You're gonna understand it better without me talking in the background. So just listen to the music while you see through the process. Okay, thank you. here comes the last one. So again, I moisturized that place, and I did all the things that I do. Baby girl was already sleeping at this point, which is no problem at all because we are done. So I am doing the cross screw thinny, and yeah, I will just start twisting that upwards or backwards, I don't know, however way you understand that, and tie that out. Make sure it is secured, bond it so it doesn't unravel, or so it is well secured. And I started adding these pops of elastic bands to the roots, okay, to the roots, so it had extra colors, extra beauty. And it actually did the thing, and I prefer these colors on this one more than the other one. I think maybe because the colors is directly to the roots. Yeah. And I laid down her edges, I oiled her scalp as you guys saw me do earlier. And guys, look at my baby girl. Oh my goodness, see how beautiful this hairstyle look. Like, I'm even tired of hyping this hair. At this point you'll be thinking like, okay, you're the one making it, that's why you're hyping it like this. No, take a good look at it now. Is it because I'm the one that made it? No, it's because they are cute, it's because they are pretty, and the person wearing the hair is pretty as well. So let me know in the comment section, between this and the other one, which do you prefer? Be honest. I need your honest answer in the comment section. Let me know. And will you be trying it out? Have you tried out any of them already? Let me know in the comment section. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up, do that right now. See you in my next one. Bye bye.